coverage for the zombie apocalypse.
aribwo twagiye twerekana abantu uburyo ibyo bintu by'amazombi n'ibiramo kubwira ko aribwo amazombi muramutse mubaye bagira uburyo bashobora kuzayirinda.
All we're selling is what people already want.
Icyo twa turimo turagurisha n'icyo abantu bashaka.
And to protect the ones we love.
Kandi tukanarinda none babandi dukunda. Uyakiri muri bya Karimero Karasoni wa mukobwa. Akaba ariyo mpamvu tubashe kuba twahabwa igikombe cya mbere kuba turi agency ya mbere mu mwaka. Nkaba ngira ngo mbishimire umuryango wanjye. Dore ngabo ngo bishimire umuryango umukobwa agiye kwitaba. Yo. Kandi ari mu birori. Niba icyo ariko. Ni kubera iki Jeremy yaguhamagaye ntumusubize.
A girl was killed by a mutt and bear.
Hari igikobwa cyishwe kikaba cyariwe n'ikirura. Aho tuvugirana gutya bagiye kumuta mu butaka bw'umuryango. Ariko iryo ntago ari itegeko ryanjye. Ugomba gukora ibyo ugomba gukora rero. Tigana uri umunyamuryango. Cyangwa uze duhure nkubwira ibyo nzi. Yes. Ejo nzaza duhure. Nga bagende bahure ngambwira ibyazi. Barakwereka ibyacu bidatinze umusore yabaga bagenzi ari guhanga akajisho ku mukunzi, ariko umukunzi nabagahuze hari ubyo umukunzi yarahuzemo. Bwaracyajya kureba wa musore. Nahoze nk'umurirwa ndimo ndaza. Ahari ntago nakwirukanka cyane ariko burya nta nubwo nukada. Not smell that's bad. Burya nibibwa biranuka nuka iyo bitagiriwe isuku usanga abantu biri hanuka. Dore ngaho. Kandi byari biteye nabyo nkibibwa neza.
No, everyone else is in Stonehaven.
Abandi bose bari muri Stonehaven. Nanjye narinje kwira twihutiye tugereyo. Bigaragara abagenzi abangako bari bahujwe n'ubwoko bw'uko yenda bari bamwe. Aha twari dufite ubundi buzima bwacu kuki dusubira muri Stonehaven kuba muri buriya buzima bw'ishyamba. Wewe wabashe kuba wakwiyubakira Logan dore wubatse ibintu byawe byagufasha. Iki cyose ni igihari cyumvikana ariko nta na kimwe nkeneye ko cyabangamira kubaho kwacu.
Jeremy doesn't know. He caught the scent but he can't place it.
Well, that's easy. Which one's the most pissed off at Clay right now?
None wagira ngo dukore iki twe tugeyo. Yego. No bagira ngo bageyo.
Reason enough for me not to go back.
Mfite impamvu nyinshi zatuma ntasubirayo.
Right outside Stonehaven.
Kubera icyo utasubira muri Stonehaven muri SH.
Pack needs you.
What about what I need?
Igikundi cyacu kiragukeneye. None se ibyo nkeneye. What about what I need?
Normal existence where people go to brunch and they don't murder to hide their secrets.